How to fix APC battery backup beeping continuously. Step 1. Determine why it's beeping. Different beep patterns indicate different problems. If it beeps every few seconds, it's running on battery power. If it's rapid or continuous beeping, its battery is nearly depleted. If it's a constant solid tone, the UPS is overloaded. And if it's beeping every few hours, the battery has failed a self-test and likely needs replacement. Step 2. Check for a power outage. Make sure the wall outlet has power. Try plugging another device in, such as a lamp, into the same outlet. If utility power is out, the UPS is operating normally and will stop beeping once power returns. Step 3. Reduce the load. If the UPS emits a constant tone, disconnect unnecessary devices, leave only essential equipment such as your PC and monitor connected, and avoid plugging in high-power devices like laser printers or heaters. An overload is one of the most common reasons for continuous beeping. Step 4. Check the battery connection. Turn the UPS off, unplug it from the wall, and open the battery compartment. Make sure the battery connector is fully seated. Some new APC units ship with the battery disconnected until first setup. Step 5. Charge the battery. Leave the UPS unplugged into AC power for at least 10 hours. Avoid using battery power during the charging period. A deeply discharged battery can trigger warning alarms until it's fully recharged. Step 6. Replace the battery. If the UPS continues beeping after charging, shows a replaced battery indicator, or is more than 3 to 5 years old, the battery has likely reached the end of its service life and should be replaced. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.